Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS UM325U. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your ASUS UM325U is dying within minutes, you are likely facing a failing battery issue. This can occur due to age, regular wear and tear, or even a faulty charging mechanism. If not addressed promptly, you may find yourself unable to use your device altogether, leading to potential data loss and increased repair costs down the line. To tackle this battery replacement, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage, and of course, a compatible replacement battery for the ASUS UM325U. First, ensure your device is completely powered off and unplugged. Next, place it on a soft, flat surface to prevent scratches. Using the plastic opening tool, gently pry open the back cover of the ASUS UM325U. Work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips holding the cover in place. Once the cover is off, locate the battery. It is the large rectangular component connected with a couple of wires. Carefully disconnect these wires, noting their position for reinstallation. Remove the screws securing the battery in place. Make sure to check for any different sizes or types of screws, as they may vary. Applying gentle pressure, lift the battery out of its compartment. Take your new battery and place it into the slot, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the wires, making sure they are secure but not overly tight. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the screws to secure the new battery in place. Before replacing the back cover, it's a good idea to turn the device on to check that everything is functioning correctly. If the device powers up and shows the expected battery life, you can proceed to close it up. Align the back cover carefully and press down firmly around the edges to snap it back into place. In terms of prevention tips, to avoid battery issues in the future, regularly calibrate your battery by letting it fully discharge and then fully charge it. Additionally, ensure that you are using the correct charger for your device, as mismatched voltages can lead to battery problems. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.